time to bridle him, you can ask him to lower his head a little bit. He'll just lower his head. You have to stick your fingers in your mouth, because when you go to worming them, it's important to stick your finger in your mouth to get a tube of wormer in there to worm it, or get his bit on. And then we'll swing the tail of the rope around them a little bit, just for people that want to rope off of them. They've already got that down where you can swing the rope on them and you don't get them all worked up. That hits you with the thing. Moving over a little bit. But he's really good, really level-headed. You really got to take your time with these colts to keep their minds like this. You really can't beat on them or force them to do a lot of things, create a lot of anxiety in their mind at a young age. You want to preserve that good mind they have by doing all these ground exercises in a manner that's non-threatening to them. He turned his head off a little bit there. Pull him back over a little bit. This is important there, so you can put your bridle reins over their head when it comes time to ride him. Getting all these things in place when they're babies is a lot easier than when they're 2-year-old. Because then you're asking for them to have a blow up or an accident. Them being 1,000, 1,200 pounds, they'll do a lot more damage to themselves than when they're 500 pounds or 600 pounds. Notice some of them's been coughing a little bit.